go!
Hi guys, I'm here with Roseanne today, and I'm going to show you, together with Roseanne, a demo on how it can look if you get into a flow of playing with each other and touching each other. So great lovers, they listen very carefully with their hands. They listen with their smell, their breathing, their hearing, their view. So they use all the sensory perception in order to feel their own body, but also through their own body, feel the body of the other. And it's a kind of a dance, sensual, sexual, just like the tango is a dance that you really have to start following each other. The best dances in the sexual playground are the dances that are not rehearsed. So there's no sexual script. And also they start not with, again, but they don't have to start with being super, super horny, especially if you're in a long-term relationship. That may not always be the case. Perhaps it's quite rare, but it doesn't mean that you can, if you take the time, if you just follow the movements of the body, if you really tune into yourself, become a great sexual play. But you don't want to have a certain goal. And you want to be curious. So not horny, but curious. How does a certain kind of touch feel? Does it feel great? Perfect, keep doing it. Is it a little bit meh? Do something else, right? And start slow, because if you go too fast, it's going to be difficult to not lose each other. Maybe that's the way to say it. So let's see how this is going to go. Roseanne, are you ready? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically what you see us doing is a kind of dance and kind of play. As this is an informational video, educational video, we don't make it too sexual. But what we do feel is sexual energy starting to flow and to move. And you can see there's a tendency for me to take the lead and for Roseanne to follow that lead. And at a certain point, Roseanne also put me down and I let myself be put down. But then you felt like, oh, okay, maybe you can take it over again, which is also a kind of a flow that can happen. And perhaps in another moment, in another time, Roseanne would have kept me there and I would have surrendered completely. And this time I just took over again. So play around with this and don't make it too going towards a goal, trying to get somewhere. As what we were doing now, there wasn't a goal. We were just fooling around, playing around, and at the same moment, feeling into each other by feeling what felt good for our own bodies. So see you next time.